this morning, looked around from top to bottom. Milk was there, the butter too, nothing new for me to chew. I shut the door, I walked away, then I came right back to say, I'm checking the fridge again, even though I just checked it then. Same old stuff from where I stand, but maybe something changed since then. I'm checking the fridge again like it's got a secret plan. I know there's nothing waiting there, but I'm checking it again. Leftovers staring back at me like they know my history. Jar of pickles, half a pie, something green I won't identify. I close the door, I count to 10, then I hear it call me in. I'm checking the fridge again, even though I just checked it then. Same old shelves, same old light, still nothing good in sight. I'm checking the fridge again like it might pretend to suddenly surprise me when I'm checking it again. Truth, I know the score, but I still pull on the handle once more. Middle shelf, bottom drawer, I swear I've seen this all before. Nothing moved, nothing new, but I look like something might. I shut it fast, I turn around, then I hear that little sound. I'm checking the fridge again, even though I just checked it then. Same cold air, same regret, but I'm not done hoping yet. I'm checking the fridge again like it owes me a friend. I know there's nothing waiting there, but I'm checking it again.